kiełbasę damy.
In the middle, they will go in the middle. Tam? So, hello mga mi, today, mga ligo mi og sapa or river diri sa Poland, which is, for me, tugnaw gyud siya mi. So, ingani gyud ang nature sa mga Polish pag summer kay layo mo ang dagat diri sa ila, mga 8 hours ang daganon or 7. Basta, pareha sa mo ang layo sa dagat. Ang padulngan lang gud kay sapa kundi mga pool or resort or ang uban na ay mga inflatable pool, pero kami naaman mi pero magpalahi sa mi karon. So mag-bike lang mi didto kaming tulo. And then ako tamong itur kung unsay forma nga ilahang sapa-sapa diri day nga tugnaw kayo day naa sa mga 19 degrees guro na day. Dili gud siya ideal para sa ko ano. So yes, let's go. So ito na yung mga bike namin day.
Ja nie wiem, czy my się tam na rowerach nie przytulamy. No. No. No.
Ayan, going na kami.
Znaczy wiesz co, to...
Ito pala yung street namin. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Nakaabot din. Nie ma ludzi. No?
Choose shadow sun.
Shadow and sun, it's fine with me.
Then you can be here na ano. You can be here.
Oopsie. Whew. It's all ours. Teka nga video, I'm gonna send it to Joy also. She wanna look how the river looks like here. Walang tao, Joy, kasi nasa kabila kami. Doon kami sa kabila. Ayaw nilihan kasi ano daw, malalim. Oopsie. Yay!
But there's Bumboka.
No?
There's nothing.
Na górze jest?
Nie, ale sobie tu.
Możesz.
Można
Co?
tu?
Można.
Na pewno?
Na pewno.
Okay. Okay. I will do...
Nikomu tu będzie wywalę. Tu będzie wpływało.
You must be szybko.
Tak?
Papa can be wet in the wet.
Huh?
Can be
Yeah.
in the wet.
No tu za blisko będzie nam się tu kopcić na nas. Musi być troszkę dalej zawsze blisko. Tak jak na przykład tam. To się będzie... Wiatr tu idzie stąd i będzie dymił na nas.
There's 3 people.
I think one is a kid.
No?
Because there's a pink there.
Yeah.
Papa, say you don't just go tam.
It looks like it's their
I
child.
don't tam jest dziecko, bo tam widzę close.
No?
Dużo.
To jest głęboko.
Fajnie tutaj, super. Ale I like this kind of bonding. This summer, this is the first time we went like this.
And the last
Because
time.
we have our pool, so we don't have time to go. But sometimes it's nice to go outside.
Papa, czy mogę tak?
Okay?
Papa?
Co? Możesz.
Jak to się nazywa? Kaczka?
Za 5 minut.
You want to switch?
massa.
Yung itam.
Yes. Siguro.
Some fish jump.
Take off na your shoes.
Papa, watch. Look na. Watch your payat ko to.
Why you did not take chips, Tina?
Because what did you bring?
You don't have chips. What do you bring?
At-
You eat all the Pringles? Ha?
Yeah, because it was already not all. We will not, look, Papa. Stare!
Oh, yes, sir.
Must be a perfect like this. And this. Look,
Okay. 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! How did you do that? 1, 2, 3. Papa teras.
Dobra.
Pasya hanek. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 2.
check. Papa, the station.
Super tutek niya. I love it here. My God, almost hit me.
It's a very thin rock. It's perfect sa'yo, Papa.
Tak.
Papa, patch.
Ładnie.
Now, look.
Okay. Uy, where it's going? Try. Let's try if it's not cold. Malamig kasing tubig nila dito, day. In fairness talaga. Moment of truth. Oh, it's not very cold. Tak? Ha? It's not very cold really. Tsaka grabe, yung tubig nila dito dahil malinis talaga to dahil hindi katulad sa atin may magpupupo sa sa taas. Huh? In the middle? They will go in the middle? Tam? Punta sila sa gitna. Pasto. Handmade stick. Fine, yeah. You have knife? For barbecue.
Warzywa nazbierać. Gdzie to miejsce na ogień?
Nie wiem.
Może tutaj. Blisko. No. Ała. Gumagawa kami ng ano, day. Kasi mag-grill kami. Set. Careful. May nagkakayak papunta dito.
Look, Ma.
They don't have like that. One. Like that. They only use hands and feet.
Jest tam na kamieniu była.
Ang layo na nila, day. Zoom natin, ha. Ano kayang hinahanap nito ng mga to? Naghahanap yata to ng sakit sa katawan. Charot. Naghahanap ng isda, day. Mananakip. Mandadakip. Ano ba yan sa Tagalog, eh? Manakop dog isda. Nice king tubig, dili siya bugnaw, day, as in fairness today, dili bugnaw ang river nila diri. Gusto mo kitag ano? Bird. Bird, it's not a plane, it's a bird. Tarang doha dito, day.
O, chłopie. Mama, nie gratulacje, ile kiełbasy dało. Od razu. Kiełbachę wie.
Is it clean?
Yeah.
Urwałem z drzewa.